What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Just got these in the mail from Foot Locker. The Jordan 13 Lucky Green. They came pretty quick, surprisingly. So without further ado, first-hand look. Of course, we got the box. Old school silver box with the red Jumpman logo on top with the little circle that's kind of the holographic thing on the 13s. Open it up. Of course, you got your shoe paper. I already took the shoes out, looked at them. So these are like the Ray Allen 13s, the PEs, almost the same thing. I like these. I like these. Little thing that I noticed I'm not too happy with. That green kind of looks a little ashy, in my opinion. This can probably come off. This can rub off. Yeah, that suede or whatever you want to call it looks a little ashy. You got your hologram right there. Check the inside of the shoe. That can come off. Little slight look like dirt that which can wipe off. Surprisingly, I don't see any glue stains on these, which is a good thing. Again, that can wipe off. A little bit right there. The upper looks real good. The back, excuse me, pretty good. Your tag. A little bit. Again, I'm sure that can wipe off. No glue stains at all. Pretty good quality. Like I said, the only thing that bothers me is that green looks a little dusty, a little ashy. The same typical, the Jumpman on the tongue. I also got size 7 in grade school, which those come in a different boxes always. Black box with the gold Jumpman. Same thing here. Might as well inspect the other pair. Grade school always comes with a sticker most of the time, a Jumpman gold sticker. We can inspect these two while we're here. Should have took them out the box. Baby Jumpman on the tongue. Green. Another thing, see them wrinkles right there? I don't like that. Not so much on this one, but on here you can see it big time. Check it, the little stains again. See a little glue right there. But like I said, I'm sure that'll come off. The back, oh. That piece of grass on there. Another stain right there. Stain up top. No stains on this one. You can see a little glue right there. Again, good quality. And this green looks a little darker than the other green. Let's see if we can compare them. With the glance, it looks darker. See them wrinkles right there. But all in all, they look good. I think that green should have been darker, but it happens. Again, Jordan 13 Lucky Green. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.